Alright guys, so today I'm going to look at another plug and play system. This is the Space Invaders plug and play by MSI Entertainment. You got your start button, your A and B buttons, joystick, on off switch, which means the red light indicator is working. It runs on 3 AA batteries, and it kind of reminds me of the Jack Pacific one, kind of, but it's kind of different. So, yep, again, it's kind of like the Miss Pac-Man one. This was released in 2016, and I paid only $20 at Toys R Us. So let's play this game and see some in action. So again, it uses the steel RCA cables with mono audio. So I turn it on. You got the MSI Entertainment logo and the title logo, which says 2016. Yep, there it is. This is the Famicom or NES version. It says MSI Entertainment, which probably says title. Yep. It's like the Nintendo version, alright. So you got Mystery, 30, 20, and 10 points. Play Space Invaders. And this is actually going to be like a demo, and then we'll show you. Yep. So again, that's what the game's going to look like. There you go. That's what the game looks like. So, how about we get a game of it, shall we? And apparently I just screwed up. Hold on, this is going to be... Hold on, try again. Let's try that again. There we go. Yep. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with... I guess we'll have one more game of it. I don't know what's going on with this. This is basically, I can't... I'm actually doing okay now. Yeah. There you go. Oh, I got one, my wife. There you go, guys. So, what do I think about this plug and play? Is it worth it today? Well, if you like Space Invaders, you better check this out. But yeah, if you don't know, again, this was a good plug and play. So there you go, guys. The 2016 MSI Space Invaders plug and play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll have more plug and plays come out in the future. But this is it. Goodbye.